Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be showing you how I make stir-fried noodles. So here I have my stir-fried noodles and I have my green peas, I have my onions, I have my powdered pepper, I have garlic and sweet chili sauce, I have Knorr Aromat seasoning. This bowl I have mixed vegetables. I have my cooked chicken fillet. Like I've said in my other video, I love cooking my chicken fillet, chicken breast before I stir fry. I'm not comfortable without cooking before frying. And I'm using king prawns as well. So in my boiling water, I'm going to add the noodles, and from the instruction it says cook for 4 minutes. So I'm going to cook for 4 minutes and I'm going to drain the water. My pan, I'm adding half a tablespoon of vegetable oil, sunflower oil precisely. So I'm in the process of stir frying. So I'm starting off with the cooked chicken. Remember, this is optional. You can fry your chicken without pre-cooking it. All you need to do is just season it and stir fry. So I'll keep stir frying until I get the chicken to be the way I want it to be cooked. So now I'm setting aside and I need to fry the prawns. So I had to add more prawns because the king prawns were not enough. So I just had to add extra ones. So I'm going to stir fry and allow to be well cooked, because sometimes most people do not cook prawns well enough, and that causes food poisoning in some people. So because I've got little children, I love cooking my prawns till I'm very satisfied. And I've been using prawns to cook and none of them has ever fallen ill as a result of prawns. So now I'm going to be stir frying the vegetables. So I'm starting off with the onions and I'm going to add the rest of the vegetables. So these mixed vegetables I got from the store. I got this from Sainsbury's. I got a packet of it and I'm using half. So if you don't have the time to start with your vegetables, like you don't have time to cut, you can get this from the stores. They are okay. I've been using them for a while now since I became that extra busy. So I just get it and I use it, and I don't have any reason to complain about it. So I'm adding the Knorr seasoning and I'm going to give it a stir, and I will allow it to stir fry for a minute. So now I'm adding the peas. I love using fresh peas in my stir fries. So now I'm adding the garlic and chili sauce. Now I'm adding the prawns and the chicken, and I'm going to stir to make sure everything is well mixed. Wow, that's looking so delicious. In fact, the aroma coming from here, I just feel like eating this on its own. Funny enough, you can as well make this to eat with your potatoes, yam, plantain, even rice. So it's not just for noodles or spaghetti. So now I'm going to give it a good mix just to make sure all the vegetables are mixed properly with the noodles. And I'm adding a light soy sauce. I don't like adding too much, so you can add as much as you can to make the color richer, but I love mine this way. So I'm still going to give it a good mix. And finally, like, the food is ready. Trust me, if your children love eating noodles, they will love this one, because my children have always been into noodles. Not all the time, but they love Chinese noodles. So I make it myself, and I know what I'm putting in. I know everything I'm putting in from the scratch. So if your children love Chinese noodles, most especially now that there is a lockdown, you could as well make this for them. I hope you like this video. Please try this recipe and let me know if you enjoyed it in the comment section. Subscribe to my channel if you've not already done so, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you very much, and bye bye.